Performance administrators. So the data available in the performance module will only be visible to the admins and to the concerned reviewers. Apart from these two individuals, other users in the organization cannot access the performance information of other employees. However, using this option, Performance Administrators, you can give permission to selective employees to view this data. In order to do that, let's navigate to Settings, Performance, and under Permissions, we have this option, Performance Administrator. So by default, there are two options here, Department Head and Reporting Manager. So you can give permission to Department Head to view the data and also to view the reports. In the same way, you can give access to Reporting Managers to view the performance data and the reports. So in addition to Department Head and Reporting Managers, you can also make use of this option, Add Custom Admin. By clicking on Add Custom Admin, all the user lookup fields created in the employee form will be listed. For example, let's take this option BU Head. So every employee is assigned a BU Head in the Employee Master, and you want to give access to this BU Head to view the performance data of employees to whom they are mapped as a BU Head. In that case, you can select the particular lookup field, give data access or the report access depending upon your requirement. Once this is done, click on Save. By using this option, you can give permission to certain employees only to data and reports in the performance module instead of making them as an overall admin. By doing that, you will be exposing the complete settings and data with respect to this module. So this is how you can add Performance Administrator in the performance module.